Good afternoon, everybody. Today's demonstration is on electromagnetic induction. What I have here is a coil of copper wire connected to this little ammeter, and you should be able to see the needle in the ammeter. There is no batteries or any other type of devices. All I'm going to take is this magnet, put it in the coil, and start moving the magnet up and down. So when I do this, you can see the needle of the meter moving back and forth in tandem with my up and down motion of the magnet. This is much like what the power company does in the generation of the power delivered to your home. Okay, other demonstrations I have involve electrical power generation, so I'll take this away. Here I have a little generator. Here you got the light bulb. There's this 3 horseshoe magnets, an armature with windings of copper wire covered with a little bit of tape. So now if I spin this coil in the magnets of the horseshoe magnet, you can see the bulb glowing. And it takes work, of course, to generate that electrical current that flows through the bulb. Similarly, I have a tiny little hand crank generator over here. There's a little flashlight bulb in here. This is just an ordinary little motor that you could connect to a battery and it would spin, but here it's wired in the opposite sense, where now I have a mechanical means of moving the motor with the crank and gears, and the light bulb is in here. And now when I turn this crank, I'm rapidly changing the flux in the windings of this motor, so I have an induced voltage and an induced current going through the circuit instead of the bulb to make this power. Similarly, the same is true here. There's the external circuit. I have a magnetic field in here. The flux changes when I force this armature of windings to turn, and then we have electrical generated power.